Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 2nd, 2025. Yeah, these puzzles are the first puzzles in 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku. This one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku number 9831. And the 4 star Sudoku in additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Well, there are a lot of columns with 3 here also. Digits, with 3 digits in a row. All right, this column, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in the third column should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. In this column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay. 9. No, 9, 9. I need a 8, 8. Okay. 5, 5. Come on. I need a 7 here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have 3 and the 4 in this middle row. So no 3 and the 4 in these 2 boxes. 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 2 here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 6 goes and there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. 6, yeah. 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Then 1 in the last row, 1 in the row. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4, 4, need a 4 here. 4. Come on, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the middle column, so no 2 and a 3 in these two boxes. 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 and a 3, the 4 and 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and a 9. Alright, so two numbers left in the middle column. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Two boxes. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Here. Come on, come on. 1, 1. Need a 2, 2, 2. Need a 3. 3 and need a 3. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 in these two boxes. We have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 3 in those two boxes. So one box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 1, 6, 8, 6, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. So the only place left with 6 in this big square should be there. So two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Alright. So 3 to 4. Need a 4 here. Think. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 5 there. Come on. Need a 7 there. No 9 here. I need a 9 in this big square. This box can be a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be a 9 because these two boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 7. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here then. Okay, so two numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1, 4, 7, and they needed 8. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left with 8 should be here because these two boxes can be 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8. 8 in that column, no 8. The only place left with 8 should be there. 174, 174. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7. The only place left with a 7 in this big square should be there. So if we eliminated here the 1 in this column should be there then. So two numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 or 4, we have a 1 there. So this box should be a 4. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. 7. Need a 1. 1. And I need a 3. Could be everywhere. 1 and 8. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have 1 now in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in the first column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. I need 8 here. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left with 1 should be there. 3 and a 4. We already have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 2. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next on that column. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 in the row above, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see, 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, let me think. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Okay, in this row, we need a 6. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 and a 6, well, we have a 6 now, so this box should be a 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 and a 3, we have 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, we already have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. A 1 box left now in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes, cannot believe this. Faster than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.